How does pollination work? It's kind of like this. Suppose your baby brother is eating cheese puffs.
He's a baby, so he's messy.
Super messy. Let's say he's eating cheese puffs, and he's not even paying attention to all of the cheese crumbles getting on his fingers, face, mouth, and all over his clothes. Now, just as soon as he finishes his snack, he touches everything. When Mom comes in later, she's gonna find a cheesy mess, not just on his face, his clothes, his mouth, but all over his toys, the walls, and remarkably, the remote control. This is much the same way bees spread pollen. Pollinators don't wash their hands as they get covered by pollen. That is a really good thing.